Ayan guys, so Meta Earth daily check-in update tayo today. Ayan yung date and time ng recording natin. Click natin yung Meta Earth app natin. Okay? So, click lang natin itong I understand. And then yung invite notification code. Ipa-flash ko rin sa video na to yung ating invitation code para makapag-install na rin kayo. And habang maaga, habang konti pa lang yung nakakaalam, masimulan nyo na rin tong Meta Earth, okay? Okay, sa previous video natin nakapag-record tayo ng Okay, sa previous video natin pinakita ko or dinemonstrate natin yung daily check-in day number 9. Okay, so sa video na to, daily check-in number 10 tayo. Okay, so real time ko tong gagawin. Okay, so habang nire-record ko yung video, i-claim ko talaga yung rewards, okay? So click natin itong nasa baba, claim rewards. Bago natin simulan, spot check natin yung available assets, 0.0256 Meta Earth, okay, or MEC. So claim rewards, makikita nyo, okay, day number 11 na pala tayo. Okay, so i-click natin itong check-in today. And then i-type lang natin yung mga words na nag-a-appear sa screen, okay? Ayan. So tinype lang natin, enhance happiness for a better life. Okay, check-in, and then i-confirm lang natin yung ating check-in for day number 11. And then enter lang natin yung ating 6-digit code. Okay. So, nire-recognize niya lang yung ating daily check-in for day number 11. So, hintayin nyo lang yan. And makikita nyo dito, congratulations, check-in successful. Okay, so click on home. So, 0.0256 umakyat to 0.0267 MEC. Ayan. So, ito yung daily rewards na kuha na natin today. Pero meron pang isa. Pwede rin natin i-click itong link sa lower right. And then, pwede tayong mag-participate dito sa Node Community pala. Okay, ito yung Node Community feature ng MEC app. Hiwalay pa to guys sa daily rewards natin. Okay, so ang i-click natin itong Philippine ME Ambassador Node Reward plan. Okay, so click to participate. Mag-open to ng another Google Chrome page, and then i-click lang natin itong register, and then ang pipiliin natin dito, register with ME Pass. So kailangan lang natin kumpletuhin yung security verification, i-solve lang natin yung puzzle para mag-connect itong unicorn node community sa ating Meta Earth app. Okay, request your Okay, na kailangan na i-click siya kagad. Okay. So register with MePass. I-solve natin yung puzzle. Okay, so tatandaan nyo pala guys, kailangan mabilis rin yung pag-click. Ayan, connect nyo kagad. Ayan, authorization successful. So, babalikan natin yung pagka bumalik tayo doon sa Google Chrome natin, nakalagin na tayo niyan, pero kailangan mo lang i-connect sa current road region natin, which is the Philippine node. Okay, and then from the unicorn node community landing page, click lang natin yung 3 lines on the top right, reward center. Okay, makikita natin dito sa available for withdrawal natin, meron tayong 0.003 MEC. Pero kapag ka-claim natin yung reward natin for today, which is August 11, 2025, pwede kong i-click yung claim or claim all, same lang yan. Okay, so click natin itong claim all. Okay, claimed successfully. So umangat ng 0.004 MEC. Okay, so gawin nyo lang to daily, araw-araw, and makakaipon tayo ng mas maraming MEC in the long run. Habang nag-uumpisa pa lang yung project, konti pa lang yung nakakaalam, until such time na mag-decide sila ng kanilang listing sa any centralized exchanges. Okay, so at least nauna na tayo, okay, bago pa man malaman ng majority ng retail sector. So for this one, remember to sign out. For security reasons, talagang sina-sign out ko pa rin siya para ma-maintain natin yung security and decentralization when it comes to cryptocurrency. And dapat naman talaga basic yan. Lagi tayong nag reconnect and disconnect sa mga um, D-apps, okay, or decentralized applications na connected sa ating main wallets, okay? For example, sa video na to, yung MetaEarth wallet or MetaEarth app, okay? So, all good na tayo dito sa daily check-in natin today and yung rewards na claim na natin for our node community. For a recap, i-flash ko na lang sa video na to yung ating invitation code. Sa next video natin, i-upload ko na yung full, complete, step-by-step tutorial kung paano download, i-install, i-set up yung ating MEC app end-to-end until dun sa part na makukumpleto nyo yung account verification, okay? Para talagang kabisado nyo siya kung paano gagawin, okay? With the help ng ating referral code or invitation code na ilalagay natin sa video na to, including sa comment section saka sa description ng ating YouTube, TikTok, or Facebook video, okay? Okay, and disclaimer statement for our Crypto Bayanihan Web3 wallets. The content provided in this video is strictly for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial investment, legal, or professional advice. We do not promote or solicit the purchase or sale of any cryptocurrencies, tokens, exchanges, or financial instruments. All the information shared on our YouTube channel is published in good faith and are intended to help viewers understand blockchain and Web3 technologies. Thank you.